My beloved people of Haiti, today, October 17th, is not just another date on the calendar. It is a sacred day, a day that calls us to remember, to reflect, and to rise. It is a day we honor Jean-Jacques Dessalines, the father of our independence, the warrior of freedom and justice. Dessalines was not just a political figure, he was a visionary leader. He saw beyond his time. He understood that a people who lose their dignity lose everything. That's why he fought, bled, and died so that every Haitian could say, I am free, I am human, I have worth. But today we must ask ourselves, are we truly free? Dessalines fought against the slavery of the body, but now we must fight against the slavery of the mind, the heart, and the spirit. He dreamed of justice, not for a few, but for all. He didn't fight for power, he fought for principle. And that's where we have lost our way. We must return to his foundation, unity, dignity, hard work, and love for our country. This is not the time to talk, this is the time to act. We honor Dessalines, not with words, but with action, by serving our people, defending justice, and putting the nation before self-interest. Haiti, God has not forgotten us. Our deliverance is not behind us, it is before us. If we unite under God, as our ancestors did, then the spirit of Dessalines will rise again within us. Long live Haiti. Long live Dessalines. Long live freedom and justice. Thank you.